Welcome to today's news update. Here are the 10 top stories we are covering today. Welcome to the channel. Before we begin today's update, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to receive notifications for all our future tech updates. Rocket Bell. Taiwan targets 3 key sectors in upcoming 6G era. Taiwan sets its sights on 3 key sectors: technology, manufacturing, and healthcare as it prepares for the 6G era, aiming to boost economic growth and competitiveness globally. The country's focus areas include advanced materials, artificial intelligence, and biotechnology. Dynamics of genetic and somatic trade-offs in aging and mortality. The study explores genetic and somatic trade-offs in aging and mortality using new MHET3 sibship, a cross between 4 inbred mouse strains. The mice were bred to maximize phenotypic diversity, and weanlings were entered into the study over 7-8 months. Tail samples were acquired from 3 sites following animal care standards and protocols. Baseband processor market size to hit USD 33.26 billion by 2035. Research by SNS Insider. The baseband processor market is projected to grow at a CAGR 6.18 from 2026-2035, reaching USD 33.26 billion by 2035. Driven by rising demand for cost-effective 5G devices and efficient solutions. The growing preference for SoC architecture and high-performance integrated RF solutions has led to the baseband processor becoming a crucial component for future mobile devices. Amplitech Group reports strong first quarter 2026 revenue growth and significant Q1 gross margin expansion. Amplitech Group reported strong first quarter 2026 revenue growth, increasing 48.6% year-over-year to $5.35 million. Gross margin expanded significantly to 48.0%, up from 33.0% in the prior year period. The company's cash and marketable securities rose to approximately $18.4 million as of March 31, 2026. IIT Madras incubates over 100 startups, files 431 patents in innovation push. IIT Madras has achieved a milestone in deep tech entrepreneurship, incubating over 100 startups for the second consecutive year under its Startup Shatam mission. The institute also filed 431 patents during the year, reinforcing its leadership in translating research into real-world impact. Frequency Control Components Complete Analysis Research Report 2026. Clock ICs, RTC, frequency synthesizers, and RF filters. Global markets, competition, trends, and forecasts 2024-2030. Daedalus Consulting has released a comprehensive report on the frequency control and timing industry, analyzing current trends and forecasting growth through 2030. The report focuses on clock ICs, RTC, frequency synthesizers, and RF filters, providing market-size data by product type, end-use markets, and regions. 5G market enters selective and strategic phase of development. The 5G mobile market has transitioned from its initial expansion phase to one focused on network quality, architectural maturity, and service differentiation. According to the Global Mobile Suppliers Association's State of the Market report, 392 operators have launched 5G networks, with 95 having introduced standalone services, reflecting a growth of 14 and 42, respectively, since March 2025. Distributed wavefront shaping and radiative near-field sub-terahertz wireless networks. Researchers have developed distributed wavefront shaping and radiative near-field sub-terahertz wireless networks, enabling efficient data transmission with improved signal quality. This innovation allows for more reliable communication in dense environments, expanding the potential applications of sub-terahertz wireless technology. Boost R&D or lag in 6G race. Moez Chandrasekhar Pemasani tells telcos as revenues surge. Indian Minister of State for Communications Chandrasekhar Pemasani urged telecom operators to increase research and development spending to stay competitive in the next-generation mobile networks market. The minister noted that domestic players only deploy a fraction of their earnings on R&D, unlike multinational companies which invest 15-25% of revenues annually. 5 more highly concerning technologies in development. Google's DeepMind is developing Alpha Genome, an AI tool that analyzes human DNA sequences to predict regulatory activity and detect genetic variants. The technology can assess the effects of mutations on DNA sequences, raising concerns about its potential applications in predictive medicine and genetic editing. Thanks for watching. Please do like, subscribe, and share your comments and feedbacks below. We love hearing from you. Thumbs up, speech balloon. That's all for today's news. Stay informed and I will see you in the next update.